Guys, what's up? So I just got in from school. I'm about to go ahead and take a shower, and then I'm gonna come and start making dinner. Let me see if I can prop you guys up here for a second. Uh-oh. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm going to cook. I don't know what I'm making for dinner yet, but I don't know. Maybe I'll make some curry. I think I'm feeling some curry chicken. I haven't made curry in a little bit. I made curry beef. When's the last time? I don't remember when's the last time I made curry beef, but I haven't made it in a bit. So I don't know what we have planned for this weekend yet. I know, it is tax time, so we gotta go get all that done. But I am also going to the hairdresser for the first time up in Canada in how much years? Yeah, I've usually always done my hair myself, guys, but I want to get my natural hair silk press. So I am actually gonna go to the hairdresser, I think tomorrow, to go get my hair done. I've been telling hubby I want to go and get it done, so that is what I am going to do. What you guys are all up to. I know I didn't even vlog today at all during the day because I'm at school. I had lab, so that's pretty much what it was. Oh hey guys, I'm all showered. I am just starting to look about dinner. So I got my meat seasoned here. I just got my curry I gotta put in. Got my stuff all cut up here. I got my flour because I'm gonna make some flour. And yeah, I'm gonna make some dumpling for it. And I cut up what is this, dasheen and yam over there. The sweet potato didn't turn out so good, so I end up having to discard it. So yeah, I'm just gonna make some curry chicken and cook food for dinner. And for those who know what dumpling is, it's not Chinese dumpling or dim sum. A flour, salt, and coffee. Listen here, it's one of those days, guys. It's one of those days. You're saying hi, Mr. Williams. Look, he's all dirty, guys. I need to go take a shower. See him come from work and he'll not be yet. Are you saying hi to everybody? Babes! You're not saying hi? Guys, so that is pretty much what we are doing. Ew, Mario, look at your stinky socks. Ew, get your dirty socks off of me. You're not gonna shower. Ew, it stinks. Ew, can you guys smell that? Ugh. Go and shower. What? I need to go up. You're gonna go shower? You're gonna come help me cook? You know how long he hasn't been in the kitchen, guys? Don't you guys want to see him cook? A long time in a taste your hand, you know? Eh? No. Disgusting. I mean that a long time in a taste your cooking. Why you don't come in the kitchen go and cook? Eh? No. This is why I should fake a whole week of being sick, because that means we actually cook. Because he will actually cook. If me fake a week of being sick, you know must cook. Eh? Right, babes? You're not gonna be in Mario? Oh! No, go and shower.
Alright, let me get up with shower.
Yeah, go get up with shower. Eh? Babes, you're gonna go shower. Ow! Mario!
Look at me.
Stop! Babes.
What?
Hello. Mario.
Yeah, Juliet.
Be quiet.
Oh, babes.
Hello.
Look, why are you making so much noise?
You can't make some noise like this.
Oh, what do you mean? Are you giving trouble? Are you giving trouble? Watch it. So instead you go bed, you go pan a higher step. Hello. Why you have your stinking crutches over my head for? But what are we bright and feisty? Eh? What do you think this is? Huh? But you don't come help me nearly flower? Eh? You go bed? Hurry up and go bed and come.
Really now?
Please. You see, guys, look, me have to beg for him to come cook. You can't believe this, but it look like maybe I'm on my own, so we just have to go do what we have to go do, yeah. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get this food started because I'm hungry and I don't want to take all night cooking. So we're just putting in some cooking oil in the pot. So, and I'm gonna brown my curry. So I need to make sure it's getting. Need a good amount more. Give it that more. No water. So me just mix it up like this. I don't add like my stuff like I usually put it in after. So I have it here.
If it ain't coming off, I'll just
So pretty much this is all chicken breasts I put in. There I got my curry breast, chicken breast here, and this is all ready. So let me just I got my water boiling up there, so I gotta go finish mix. So I'm just gonna mix around the part in the pot. So I finished kneading the flour, so the flour is done. I assure that okay, I could probably just put in the vegetables now in the curry. So curry is actually doing its own thing over here, so most likely I can probably put in, yeah, so you see, all right. So now I will throw my stuff in. So maybe, so I see while they cook down like that, I will grab so I got my stuff here and I'll put everything in. So mix it up and let that sit for the Dutch pot lid and kind of just put it on it and let it go and cook. Roll up your dumpling and then we drop them in the pot. So me just go do that right now and get the dumpling them in to let them cook down. So right now I'm just gonna be kneading the flour and drop them in the pot, and we're gonna let that sit and cook for a bit. Then I'm gonna, when that me know say the dumpling almost close to cook, me put in the yam and stuff. Me didn't get no banana because last time we get banana, my hubby was like, no, so them a banana are tough, they can't eat. He said, I wouldn't plant. So me never get no green banana this time either. So guys, I'm going to check on the curry chicken, and yeah, see there, get it cooked down nice. I'll just leave that, cover that up back. And check on the dumplings, so yeah, so the dumpling them in here, so yeah, then I get sorted out, which nice. So me I go put in my dasheen and yam. So white yam and a yellow yam, and then that will be it. So me I go just put these in, cover it, and all me I do, I mix this like that. So me just go mix it up. Me just go cover it with the pot cover and leave it like that. Let it finish. Go on, see there guys, so I'm just letting everything cook down right now. I'm about to go set up Monopoly at the table, so we're just gonna have a quiet family night and just hang out and play some Monopoly at the table. We haven't played Monopoly in a while because we've just been so busy, so this is gonna be our first family games night in the new home. So yeah, so may I go just set that up right now and get it together. Try to set up the game, but they make quite a mess. Guys, I finally finished set up the game. Now I need to go check on my pot. I'm here to check on the pot. It looked like the food done cook. I don't know if we go eat first or we go play. But let me check on. Oh, alright. See here. And curry is done. Curry done. Curry finished now. My curry chicken finished. And the food's finished. So I'm going to turn off the stove. Turn off the stove and figure out whether they want to eat now or they want to play the game and then eat. But I'm sure say everybody probably hungry, so they probably go want to eat first and then play the game later. See guys, I got your curry chicken and your dumpling and the yam and dasheen. So that's hubby's dinner and we're about to go. We are about to go eat dinner right now, and then we're just gonna go chill out for the rest of the night and hang out and play Monopoly. I don't know if I'm gonna put any clips of Monopoly in here, but if not, I will talk to you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, y'all. Bye.
Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing. Passing, tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. None of these bad days, you know say you with up. Me woulda trade house and car and shed up. Just forget one more minute with my brother. So you get up, spend time together.